Hello students, welcome back to MJC Learning. Today we are going to study chapter number 10 of chemistry, that is halogen derivatives. This is part 5, so let's begin. Students, after the discussion of classification and nomenclature of halogen derivatives, we have started with methods of preparation of alkyl halides. In this, alkyl halides are prepared by reaction of alcohol with hydrogen halide. Now let us continue this topic, that is preparation of alkyl halide by the next reagent, that is reaction of alcohol with phosphorus halide. Phosphorus forms two types of phosphorus halide, that is trihalides and pentahalides. Let us see the reaction of alcohol with phosphorus trihalides. This phosphorus trihalides like a phosphorus trichloride, phosphorus tribromide and phosphorus triiodide. Among these, PCl3, that is phosphorus trichloride, is stable while PbR3 and Pi3 are less stable. So here is the general reaction of preparation of alkyl halide by using alcohol and phosphorus trihalide. Three molecules of alcohols on reaction with phosphorus trihalide, that is PCl3 or PbR3 or Pi3, gives three molecules of alkyl halide. Students, observe here, three molecules of alcohol we are using. So three hydroxyl groups of alcohols are replaced by three halogens, and that results the formation of three molecules of alkyl halide. So in the reactant side, 3 OH and 1 phosphorus gives us phosphorus acid. So while studying this reaction of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol and phosphorus trihalide, we have to take three molecules of alcohol. Students, this reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction, and mechanism of this reaction will give better idea about the details of this reaction, as the nucleophilic substitution reactions mechanism part we are going to discuss in the upcoming lecture. So let us take a quick view of the mechanism of this reaction. Student, this is alcohol molecule and this is PbR3, that is phosphorus tribromide. The hydroxyl group of alcohol attacks on the phosphorus of PbR3, and that results the formation of bond between oxygen and phosphorus. You can observe here, there is a bond formation between oxygen and phosphorus, and that develops the positive charge on the oxygen. During this, Br minus ion is liberated. The bromine will take its electron and it forms the Br minus ion. This Br minus ion attack on alkyl group and forms the alkyl halide, as well as this intermediate. According to general reaction, three molecules of alkyl halides are formed. Therefore, two more alcohols will react with these intermediates and forms alkyl halide. But students, for this session, remember only this general reaction. Focus only on the general reaction, that is three molecules of alcohol on reaction with phosphorus trihalide gives us three molecules of alkyl halide. Here is the reaction of alcohol with phosphorus trichloride. Alkyl chloride are prepared by refluxing alcohol with phosphorus trichloride. General reaction is same, that is three molecules of alcohols on reaction with phosphorus trichloride gives us three molecules of
alkyl chloride and phosphorus acid.
The same pattern is here. OH of alcohol is replaced by chlorine. So you will get the three molecules of alkyl chloride. Here are the examples of this. The first example is ethyl alcohol. So three molecules of ethyl alcohol on reaction with phosphorus trichloride. Now what will be the product here? OH of this ethyl alcohol is replaced by Cl. So product is ethyl chloride. So three molecules of ethyl chloride is formed and byproduct is same, that is phosphorus acid. The next example is three molecules of isopropyl alcohol or propan2-ol reacts with phosphorus trichloride. Again same pattern, OH of this isopropyl alcohol is replaced by Cl. Therefore product is isopropyl chloride or 2-chloropropane. Byproduct is same here, that is phosphorus acid. Now here is the reaction of alcohol with phosphorus tribromide and phosphorus triiodide. As we have discussed, phosphorus tribromide and iodides are unstable. That's why we have to prepare this by the action of bromine or iodine in presence of red phosphorus. Alkyl bromides and alkyl iodides are prepared by the action of bromine or iodine in presence of red phosphorus on alcohol in situ, that is during the reaction. In this reaction, phosphorus tribromide or phosphorus triiodide is formed as an intermediate, which in turn reacts with alcohol and forms corresponding alkyl bromide or alkyl iodide. Here are the examples. Ethyl alcohol, as usual, 3 molecules of ethyl alcohols are taken here, plus PBr3, that is phosphorus tribromide, results the formation of 3 molecules of ethyl bromide and phosphorus acid, as 3 hydroxyl group of alcohols are replaced by 3 bromine, and that results the 3 molecules of ethyl bromide. The next example is isopropyl alcohol or propan-2-ol. Again, it is treated with Pi3, that is phosphorus triiodide, and that gives 3 molecules of isopropyl iodide and phosphorus acid. The strategy is same. OH of alcohol is replaced by iodine. If in any question, instead of phosphorus tribromide or phosphorus triiodide, they have given only P plus Br2 or P plus I2 respectively, then also solve this question in the same pattern as we have solved now. After the discussion of reaction of alcohol with phosphorus trihalide, let us talk about reaction of alcohol with phosphorus pentahalide. In phosphorus pentahalides, phosphorus pentachloride, that is PCl5, is stable, while phosphorus pentabromide and phosphorus pentaiodide does not exist. Here is the general reaction. In this, alcohol reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, gives alkyl chloride, phosphorus oxychloride and HCl. In this reaction, OH of alcohol is replaced by 1 chlorine. So you will get the product alkyl chloride. Now out of 5, 1 chlorine is used for the formation of alkyl chloride. Second chlorine will goes with hydrogen and forms hydrogen chloride. Now how many chlorines are left here? 3 chlorine, 1 phosphorus and 1 oxygen. That gives us phosphorus oxychloride. Let us see one simple trick to understand the product from the reactant. Here is the phosphorus pentachloride and this is alcohol R-OH. So here is our first product, that is alkyl chloride. This is our second product, that is phosphorus oxychloride, and the third product, that is hydrogen chloride. This is the shortcut way to understand the product from the reactant. But it is very important to understand the mechanism of this reaction to understand the chemistry behind each reaction. Let us see the examples of reactions of alcohol with phosphorus pentachloride. So here is the example of ethyl alcohol, that is ethanol. When reacts with phosphorus pentachloride, it will give the product of alkyl halide. So what is the logic of this reaction? OH of the alcohol is replaced by chlorine. So product will be ethyl chloride or chloroethane, and byproduct will be same, that is phosphorus oxychloride and hydrogen chloride. The second example is propan-2-ol, which on reaction with phosphorus pentachloride gives, yes, this OH is replaced by chlorine. So product is 2-chloropropane and byproduct will be same. Let us understand the reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2. This is the best method for the preparation of alkyl chloride from the alcohol, because the byproducts formed in the reaction are sulfur dioxide and HCl that are in a gaseous state. So that will be escape out from the reaction mixture and we will get a pure product of alkyl chloride. Here is the general reaction. In this, alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride and forms alkyl chloride, sulfur dioxide and HCl. In this reaction, OH of the alcohol is replaced by chlorine. So one hydroxyl group of alcohol is replaced by one chlorine. That will give us first product, that is alkyl chloride or chloroalkane. Out of this, 2 chlorine. 1 chlorine is used for the preparation of main product, while second chlorine with hydrogen gives us byproduct, that is HCl, and next byproduct is sulfur dioxide. Here is the simple trick to understand how to get product from the reactant. This is alcohol and this one is thionyl chloride. So here is our first product, that is alkyl chloride, hydrogen chloride, and next product is sulfur dioxide. So this is what the simple trick to understand how to get product from the reactant, but mechanism will be the best source to understand the chemistry behind each reaction. Let us see the examples of reactions of alcohol with thionyl chloride. Here is the first example, that is ethyl alcohol. When reacts with thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2, it gives the product. Now what will be the product here? This OH of ethyl alcohol will be replaced by chlorine, so product is ethyl chloride, and the byproducts will be same, that is sulfur dioxide and HCl. The second example, isopropyl alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride and results the isopropyl chloride, sulfur dioxide and HCl. In this reaction also, hydroxyl group of alcohol is replaced by chlorine and forms the product, that is isopropyl chloride. This reaction of alcohol with thionyl chloride is known as Darzon's process or Darzon's reaction. During this reaction, we can also use a mild base, that is pyridine. But if we are using the mild base pyridine, then reaction mechanism will be different. So students, in today's lecture we have discussed about preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol by using these three reagents, that is phosphorus trihalide, phosphorus pentachloride and thionyl chloride. Thank you very much students. Meet you in the next lecture.